You want to know why most people end up quitting the path? It's not a lack of power, it's a lack of guidance. Too many people think they can go watch a couple videos, read a book or two, and I'm a witch, I can do what I want to, and I can make this happen and that happen. And then they get frustrated and disillusioned because it doesn't happen. Or everything they do backfires because they're not doing it right or with the right intention. What is the difference between spiritual consumerism and spiritual maturity? Well, of course, we all know that spiritual consumerism is just that. We are just consuming and consuming and consuming more and more stuff. Okay? We learn from this one, we learn from that one, it's all this, and all we're doing is taking in information. But we're not doing anything with it. We're not discerning what's good, what's bad. We're just not, okay? We just want to consume it. Just like your favorite bowl of ice cream or cake or whatever, okay? You're just consuming. Not getting much out of it because that right there is not healthy. It's okay, little doses here and there, but taking ice cream, you can't live off of that, okay? So be careful how much you're just consuming and whether it's actually healthy for you or not. Now, spiritual maturity, on the other hand, means you choose what's actually right, okay? Oh man, I've seen that everybody's doing this. That's the same thing, and man, they keep putting that same thing in, and that herb's not even for that. Oh my gosh. Turn it, swipe it, whatever. Be mature enough to know what is entertainment and what is true paganism, true witchcraft, true witchiness, whatever word you want for that, okay? Pay attention. Learn what is real and what's not. You know, it's kind of like watching a horror movie or something. We all know, don't go up the stairs. Now they're going to be stupid. They're going up the stairs, okay? So that's just something that some people like to consume, all right? Our path work can't be that way. It's fine. Go watch the animals that do funny things. They're AI. They're whatever. Okay. Go watch the one that does the stupid spell and go, well, we all know they're just after clicks. So don't give them the clicks. Make them put real information out there. Problem is, most of them don't know the real information. This is maturity. Okay? Learn maturity. And if you don't understand what that means, then you may be too young to be trying to do this, especially without a real teacher. Talking about some of that is in one of my classes. Okay, so there's reasons to learn things. All right, and then we have the ones, you know, it's kind of like doctor hopping or clergy hopping. They tradition hop. Well, I'm going to be Wiccan today. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I read this book on Druidism. I think I'm going to be a Druid now. Oh, wait a minute. Norse is kind of cool. Oh, have you seen those Egyptian gods with all their like animal heads and stuff? Oh, let me go. I'm going to go check that one out now. It doesn't work like that. Okay. Yes, you can read about it because that helps you to know and understand about the different pantheons, you know, the different traditions, so you can figure out what might feel right. And yes, it's okay to go try them, you know, but don't just every week or every month, you know, well, I'm this now. No. Find somebody that knows about that one. Do your research on it. You know, you can't just jump from one to the other one. You have to commit. You know, that's why when I teach, it's a year and a day, at least. Okay? Because you have to commit. Whatever you're going to try to do, you need to commit a year and a day to it. learn it. Now, the only exception to that is if you get in there and you go, oh my God, I had no idea this was about that. I need out. Okay? But don't just jump into something else. Step back, regroup, figure out what you did wrong. Okay? And because that usually means you did not investigate enough before jumping in. Okay? This is why it's good to have a real teacher that teaches you a good firm foundation that will help you no matter what path you decide to take. Okay? Just slow down. Focus. Learn. Okay? I mean, real paths require patience. Think about it. What did I say? Dedicate at least. You're going to dedicate yourself for a year and a day to this path. Good, bad, and ugly. You know, it takes patience. You know, we can't run out every time something just doesn't seem quite right. But if you learn a real path, a real foundation path, doesn't mean you have to stay that. This is just the foundation. Once you have your foundation, then you start building your walls and your roof and decorating it and all that kind of stuff. But you got to have foundation first. Okay? So slow down and pay attention and learn the truth. Learn it from people who are doing it, okay? Not all on social media here and there and whatever. Actually find people and talk to them. If you don't know how, leave me a comment of what path you're looking for, and I'll see if I can find you somebody on that. I may know somebody. I know a lot of people that walk a lot of different paths, okay? You know, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to try to help and guide you, okay? So if I can be of help, that's what the comments are for. Also be patient. I don't always seem to get notifications, and I will answer you just as soon as I possibly can, all right? You know, those that are meant to walk this path, they recognize it. There's no convincing. So if you're meant to walk this path, I shouldn't have to try to convince you. You should simply recognize it because you feel the call. Okay? That's why we built our community, so that you have access, besides the comments below, that I sometimes see and sometimes don't for a little bit, where you can ask questions. Paul and I, other people in the community, it's a way to learn, okay? Our community is a safe place. We don't allow politics, drama, hate. Somebody attacks somebody, they get kicked out. We pay for that place. We get to make the rules. So if you need a safe place, you're welcome, okay? So please slow down, take your time, and listen and learn, okay? Should be more videos popping up if there's something else you want to see. And I hope to see you soon. And I hope I was able to help. Let me know down below, okay? So until the next time, have a wonderful day and blessed be.